How to mute the beeping sound when PS5 turns on or off. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to mute the beeping sound when PS5 turns on or off. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To mute the beeping sound when your PS5 turns on or off, you can follow these steps. Navigate to Settings firstly. Turn on your PS5 and go to the main menu. Second, select the settings option. Scroll to the right to find the settings icon, which looks like a gear icon. Third, accessibility settings. Scroll down until you find accessibility and select it. Fourth, audio settings. Within accessibility settings, look for audio or sound settings. Now, go ahead and disable the sound. Within the audio settings, there should be an option to toggle system sounds on or off. You can disable the system sound from here, which includes the beeping sound when the console turns on or off. Lastly, save the changes you made. Once you've disabled the system sound, make sure to save your changes, and after following these steps, your PS5 should no longer make a beeping sound when it turns on or off. Keep in mind that this process might slightly vary depending on your PS5 system software version, but these general steps should guide you through the process. So, this is how you can mute the beeping sound when PS5 turns on or off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.